welcome to today's section. Today's section is for 3rd standard students. So here children, as you people know that we have already completed unit 6. Yes, that is one poem, that is Mice poem, and the lesson The Pied Piper of Hamelin. In the grammar, we have completed the 4 chapters of grammar, that is the adjectives, comprehension, picture composition. I have given you homework. You have to see the picture and write the sentences. And then preposition topic is also completed. So now today I am back with unit 7. So here in unit 7 there is a poem. Small poem is there in unit 7. Children, you people have grandparents in your home. Grandma, grandpa. Yes. Most of them, they wear the spectacles. They wear the chasma. Chasma ಏನಂತೀವಿ? Spectacles. They wear it. Why? Because they cannot see without it. Because they are more aged person. Yes or no? So, when your grandma or grandpa will wear the spectacles, sometimes when they sleep, they don't remove their spectacles. They wear and they sleep. That time you do some mischievousness with your grandparents' spectacles. So today we are going to learn the poem The Spectacles. Yes, this is unit 7, poem 6. Unit 7, poem 6. That is The Spectacles. You all can open page number 13. Page number 30. So, first I will read this poem and then I will explain you people. So, the name of the poem is The Spectacles. Spectacles means what? Specs, what we wear. So, here, my granny lost her spectacles. So, there was a grandma. There was a lady, the poetess is telling, a lady poetess has written this poem and she is telling that my granny lost her spectacles. Granny means what? Granny means what, children? What is granny? Spectacles. Granny means grandma, ajji. Ajjige English ಒಳಗಡೆ short again ಕರೀತಾರೆ, granny ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. Yes or no? So the poetess is telling that my granny lost her spectacles. Lost means what, children? What is lost? Lost ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು, ಕಳೆಯೋದು. Yes or no? ಕಳೆಯೋದು. My granny lost her spectacles and when she went to bed and night, whole day she was wearing her spectacles and night she went to bed. I peeped at her and they were on top of granny's head. So see, and she went to bed. Granny at last she went to bed and there what this poet is, I peeped at her and they were on the top of granny's head. Then granny was searching her spectacle everywhere. Then granny did not find the spectacle. What happens, you know, children? When the people are aged, often they forget where they have kept the things. ವಯಸ್ಸಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಅಜ್ಜಾಜಿಗೆ ಮರೆಯೋ ಚಟಾನು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತದೆ, ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಅವರಿಗೆ ನೆನಪಿರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ದೇ ವೋಂಟ್ ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ವೇರ್ ದೇ ಕೀಪ್ ದೇರ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್, ವಾಟ್ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಕೆಪ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ಸೈಡ್, ವೇರ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್. ದೇ ಆಫನ್ ಫಾರ್ಗೆಟ್ ದ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್. They don't remember where the things are kept, where it is. Like this way, they don't remember, they forget it. Same like that really, even this granny, she had forgot that she had put her specs on her head like this way. Yes or no? She forgot that she has put her specs from here, illi tele mele hinge hakondu hange avrige nidde agbittide. And the granny was searching the spectacles. So see, my granny lost her spectacles, and when she went to bed, I peeped at her and they were on the top of granny's head. So her granny was searching her spectacles everywhere. She thought, I have lost my spectacles. Ajjige ಏನು ಅನಿಸ್ತದೆ, ನಾನು ಕನ್ನಡಕನ ನಾನು ಕಳ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಅನಿಸ್ತದೆ. But this granddaughter, she searched, she looked here and there, everywhere where the granny was sleeping on the bed. Everywhere she searched here and there, and the spectacles were on the top of granny's head only. I took them gently in my hand. Then what that poetess did, that girl, she took that spectacles from the top of her head. She took that spectacles in her hand. And then what she did? I stood high on my toes. Then she says she stood high. High means on the top. She stood top. I took them gently. Gently and nidanange, slowly. She took those spectacles in her hand and stood high on my toes. And what she did? She stood ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವಳು ಎದ್ದು ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡು. Then high ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎತ್ತರ. On my toes ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಾಲಿನ ಬೆರಳು. Yes. So see, and stood high on my toes, and then I held my breath real tight and put them on her nose. So what this poetess did? She was very much excited to search that spectacles. Then when she found that spectacles were on her granny's head, then she went close to the granny. When the granny was sleeping, she went very close to the grandma. And what that girl did, slowly she removed that spectacles from the head and poured them in her hand and stood high. She went near that bed and she stood on her toes high. And then she held her breath. Breath andre usiru. She held her breath. She held her breath real tight. She held her breath real tight means very tightly she held her breath. ಅವಳು ಉಸಿರು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಗಟ್ಟಿಯಾಗಿ ಹಿಡ್ಕೊತಾಳೆ. ಟೈಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಗಟ್ಟಿ. ಟೈಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಅವಳು ಉಸಿರನ್ನ ಅವಳು because she held her breath real tight and put them on her nose. ಉಸಿರು ಬಿಡ್ಲಾರ್ದಾಗೆ ಅಜ್ಜಿ ಪಕ್ಕ ಹೋಗಿ ಆ ಚಸ್ಮಾನ ತಲೆ ಮೇಲಿಂದ ತೆಗೆದು ನಿಧಾನಕ್ಕೆ ಅವ್ರ ಅಜ್ಜಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗದೇನೆ ಅವ್ರ ಅಜ್ಜಿ ಕಣ್ಣಿಗೆ ಅವಳು ಅದನ್ನ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾಳೆ. She put her on her nose. Nose means above the nose here for the eyes. You can see my specs where I am wearing, like that way only. Same. Once again I will read this stanza. My granny lost her spectacles, and when she went to bed, I peeped at her, and there they were on top of granny's head. I took them gently in my hand and stood high on my toes, and then I held my breath real tight and put them on her nose. My granny did not wake at all. Wake andre eddoludu. Did not get up when she was putting that spectacles. ಒಂಥರ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಮುಟ್ಟಿದಂಗೆ ಆಗ್ತದಲ್ಲ, ಯಾರು ನಿದ್ದೆ ಕಣ್ಣಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಡಿಸ್ಟರ್ಬ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಎಚ್ಚರ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತದೆ. ಬಟ್ that Granny, she did not wake up at all. She only winked one eye. Then what Granny did? She closed one eye and she was looking only from one eye. She just winked one eye. Winked means she just closed, she just opened one eye. She just opened one eye and so I guess perhaps she thought, and that Granny guessed. Guess andre avalige kalpane aitu yaru anta heli idu ಏನನ ಒಂದು ಸಣ್ಣ ಹುಳ ಬಂದಿರಬೇಕು. Perhaps thought that I was just a fly. ನಾನು ಏನಾರ ಒಂದು ಸಣ್ಣ ಹುಳ ಬಂದು ಮುಟ್ಟಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಹೋಗಿರಬೇಕು. I was just a fly. So Granny thought that it might be just a fly. ಏನಾರ ಒಂದು ನೊಣ ಬಂದು ನನಗೆ ಮುಟ್ಟು ಹೋಗಿರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಅನಿಸ್ತದೆ. ಬಟ್ ಅದು ಒಂದು she was the girl, not any fly. She was her granddaughter. So this was a small poem that I explained you people. Once again I will tell you the story. Listen. My granny lost her spectacle. There was one grandma and she was having one granddaughter, and the granny has lost her spectacles, and that spectacles was found by the granddaughter. And when she went to bed, then Granny searched everywhere her spectacles. Granny did not find the spectacles. Then what happened? Granny went to her bedroom to sleep on the bed. Then this granddaughter, she was searching Granny's spectacles. She was peeping everywhere. Peeping andre haniki haki ella kade avಳು ಹುಡುಕ್ತಾ ಇದ್ಳು. But she found that spectacles on the Granny's head like this way. Then what she will do? On top of Granny's head, the granddaughter, she found those spectacles on the top of Granny's head. I took them gently in my hand. Slowly she will remove that spectacles and she will hold it in her hand. And stood high on my toes. Then what she will do? She will stand high on her toes. And then I held breathe real tight and put them on her nose. Then she held her breathe real tight and she put those on her Granny's nose. My Granny did not wake at all. When that granddaughter, she came and set that specs to her face, but the grandma, she did not wake up. She was very deep in sleep. She only winked one eye. Suddenly when somebody touches you in the sleep, what happens? You suddenly give some reaction, like you wink your eye, or you just move this side or you move that side. Something you say, just you give some short reaction, small reaction. Same like that only. Granny, she winked her one eye, and so I guess perhaps she thought, and the granddaughter is telling, maybe my granny thought that there was a fly who touched her, not I. So this was the small story, children. So again I read the poem. Listen to me carefully. My granny lost her spectacles, and when she went to bed, I peeped at her, and there they were on top of Granny's head. I took them gently in my hand and stood high on my toes, and then I held my breath real tight and put them on her nose. My Granny did not wake at all. She only winked one eye, and so I guess perhaps she thought that I was just a fly. So this was the small poem. Now let us read the words. Granny, Granny. Granny, Granny. Spectacles. S-P-E-C-T-A-C-L-E-S, spectacles. L-O-S-T, lost. L-O-S-T, lost. P-E-E-P-E-D, peeped. P-E-E-P-E-D, peeped. G-E-N-T-L-Y, gently. G-E-N-T-L-Y, gently. S-T-O-O-D, stood. S-T-O-O-D, stood. H-I-G-H, high. H-I-G-H, high. T-O-E-S, toes. T-O-E-S, toes. B-R-E-A-T-H, breathe. B-R-E-A-T-H, breathe. R-E-A-L, real. R-E-A-L, real. T-I-G-H-T, tight. T-I-G-H-T, tight. N-O-S-E, nose. N-O-S-E, nose. W-A-K-E, wake. W-A-K-E, wake. W-I-N-K-E-D, winked. W-I-N-K-E-D, winked. G-U-E-S-S, guess. G-U-E-S-S, guess. P-E-R-H-A-P-S, perhaps. P-E-R-H-A-P-S, perhaps. J-U-S-T, just. J-U-S-T, just. F-L-Y, fly. F-L-Y, fly. These are the words that you have to read, but don't write anything in your notebook till I send you the words in the assignment. ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಅಸೈನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಳಿಸುವಾಗ ನೀವು ಯಾವುದೇ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಬರಿಬಾರದು. Just you read the words once. And now let us see the video on this poem.